When Prophet of Islam was in Medina, at that time he was head of the Medina state. You know, at that time Medina was a city state. Then whole the Arabia was Islamized, and Prophet Islam became the head of the Arabian state. So although Prophet of Islam was head of that state, but he never issued such order. For example, some non-Muslims who were poets gave some derogatory comment to the Prophet of Islam or blasphemous comment to the Prophet of Islam. Then what happened? Prophet of Islam never said that you have to kill these people, these poets. Not at all. Prophet of Islam said to Hassan ibn Sabit was a Sahabi, a companion. He himself was a shair. So Prophet of Islam said to Hassan ibn Sabit that you must meet this challenge. So Hassan ibn Sabit composed some poem. In this poem, he gave the answers to those non-Muslim poets. This was the way adopted by the Prophet of Islam. Prophet of Islam took those poems that was composed against the Prophet of Islam. Those poems were completely derogatory to the Prophet of Islam. But Prophet of Islam never took it as a crime. He took it as a challenge. And he said to Hassan bin Sabit, to meet this challenge on intellectual level. There is a clear example, clear proof that shows us what is the way of Islam in such situation. So the crux of the matter is that you have to differentiate between the two. You have to differentiate between crime and challenge. If there are crime, specified crime. If there are specified crime, then you have to take it as a crime. But when there is challenge, you have to take it as a challenge. And the response to a challenge is not punishment. It must be dealt on intellectual level, on rational level, and logical level. So these people have failed to know this difference.